27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, committed, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's a good start.
And Camille.
Get up on step.
Wow.
Mike, you're ready on the button, Mike.
Push it right here.
Not yet. Okay, when it goes in front.
First lap, 3.
Not yet.
First lap, 1.
Now, Mike.
First lap, 2.
Followed by Randy Naylor.
I'll push it now.
No, wait till it comes in.
Second lap, 3.
James brings up third. We have a DNS for
Second lap, 1.
Good line, Joey.
Get ready, Mike. Here it comes. Right now.
Second lap, 2.
Good job, Mike. That's it. Just like that.
Third lap, 3.
Bear in mind, guys, we have Classic Thunder in the backup.
Third lap, 1.
Sit it out. Hopefully he can resolve his radio issue.
Go, Mike. More? Yeah. Push it.
Third lap, 2. Fourth lap, 3. Fourth lap, 1.
You ready, Mike?
Keep it on the water.
Fourth lap, 2.
Last lap, Billy.
Last lap, 3. Last lap, 1.
Randy, I don't think I'm going to have you touch my stroke. It's all bent up and it's never run this good.
Really clean water.
Last lap, 2. Finished, 3. Finished.
Thanks. Let's see what happens if I floor it.
Really?
It's getting there.
What do you put in here? The points or the
Finished, 2.
It does. I'm trying to get it out of it, man. I don't know what it is.
Is it having the turn fin too low?
It could be, and I haven't gotten around to that.
Over finish is Phil Oxney from the Blazing 152. Then we have Randy Naylor in second.
Billy.
Laura in third.
Hey, we can make a routine out of this.
Record for P Limited. Congratulations.
That's a record?
Well, it's the first heat.
First heat,
so
yeah, you're
standard.
Oh, for the day. The record for the day.
for the year. And then every race,
Yeah.
So you're a record because you're the first one to win.
The record of the
district.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we swung her around to first place, didn't we?
Huh?
We went ahead and swung her around to first place, huh?
You are both out in this.
Is the boat looking pretty out there?
Yeah, I think you're a little flighty.
A little flighty.
Yeah.
And a little hoppy.
That's why I was like,
And I was 2/3 throttled most of the
yeah,
time
let's
too.
keep it on the water,
We're gonna pull the batteries up a little bit. Cause something clearly woke up.
That might be a good adjustment.
Yeah. Let's nail it down a little bit because we ain't worried about speed that much.
No.
But we haven't seen Lorenzo run yet.
That is also a true statement. But as of right now, I would just run.
We could take seconds behind him all day and still win though. Get that DNF, you know what I mean?
If you finish every heat,
Yeah.
you have to finish every heat. That's why maybe move that up and just keep your finger out of it. Let's just.
Okay, let me put my stuff away. All right, let me put this back on the shelf. Right. Axel Rose. Axel Rose. Axel Rose. Axel Rose.
Good luck, guys. Okay, we have Don Osmond coming off the dock. We have Jeff coming off the beach. And we've got Ed coming off the beach. We've got Dave Bestridge coming off the beach. We got one more that's still trying to get started. We got
Penny. Penny, Penny, Penny. A nice family.
Hey, dead load, exit of turn 2. Exit of turn 2.
Fuck.
We have a good start. That's Dave Bestridge in the lead. Followed by Ted Rosa. Followed by Darren Christensen. And we have the Osmonds Road in the distance. 4.